What's up guys, Derek Johnson of Legendary Leads here, and today I'm going to show you how you can install and customize a chat widget on your website. You can also set up some in-app notifications whenever you get a submission through this widget, so I'll show you that at the end of this video as well. So real quickly, inside your dashboard, you'll see the chat widget feature on the Pro plan and up. So if you have the Pro plan, you'll see the chat widget here, and basically you can enable the bubble. You can change kind of how it's going to appear here, and you'll see that update right here on the right. So you can change the default avatar if you want to one of your team members or your logo. So if you want to do that, you can hit edit image, put a logo in, stuff like that. And there's a welcome greeting. So when people return and they've already submitted data, it will customize to that visitor. So this tab here is your form settings. So if you want to enable adding an email, you can do that. Phone number is default, so that's kind of a required field. And then you can customize the language down here and your color. So if you wanted to make this red, you could do that, and it's going to update that. And then this will be your form submission and what people see once they submit. And you want to put your either phone or email for customer support here. You can do that. So we'll just put one in here. Once you're all done customizing it to what you like, you can hit get code and just hit copy code. This is going to go in the body or the footer section of your website. So if you're using our funnel builder, you can just navigate to websites here, and we'll just do it on this one for instance. You would go to the settings and paste it right here in the body tracking code. So now all I have to do is hit save. And when I preview this website, it will have that little chat widget in the corner here. So you can see it's red now. And you can enter this data right here. So I'll just fill something in here and put in a message. Hit send. And now it's shown the support email here and that message we had for follow-up. So basically on the notification side, what we can do is build a custom notification in workflows. So if you want to add a notification, say you're on mobile and you're not in front of the desktop app, we can create a new workflow with a custom chat widget notification. So anytime someone submits through that chat widget, we will get notified. And what we're going to select here is the trigger is going to be customer replied, and we'll filter it down through replied to workflow, reply channel is what we want, because that will tell us what kind of reply we're getting. It could be call, SMS, email, or chat widget. And we're going to select chat widget here. So then we'll hit save, and I'm just going to put in chat widget here so I know. And then our action, we don't want to send an external communication. That would go to the customer. Our action is going to be an internal notification. So this action here. And the type is up to you. If you want to get an email or a text or an internal notification, that's up to you. I like to do email, and then I send it to the Gmail account that I have give me pop-up notifications on my phone. And that way I will always see that reminder. So I'll show you how to do that. So from name, you can use, just your name if you want. I would just do my Gmail, and I'm going to select user type as custom email. So this is the to address. So anytime we get a chat widget notification, it's going to send this email to this custom email we select right here. Subject will be new chat widget notification. And we'll put, hey, full name, just submitted a chat. And we can even put in what their message was, stuff like that, if we want to. Be sure to reply back, and we'll hit save. So now, once that's set, we can hit draft, publish, and save. Workflow's been saved. So now anytime someone submits on that chat widget, we will get that notification via that Gmail. So let's go back to the website and you can see how this works. and I'll hit send. So it says thank you, and here's that notification right there. So now anytime you get a notification, if you have it set to Gmail or SMS, however you want to get the notification, whenever someone submits the chat widget, you'll get alerted, whether you're on mobile or desktop. So hopefully that helps. If you have any questions, just reach out through chat support, and we will get you all taken care of. Appreciate you guys, and I'll check you on the next video.